Hello my Spars, welcome back to my channel. It's Keisha Simsima, and as I said in my previous video that I owe you guys an apology because I took some time off from YouTube and I didn't let you guys know that I was taking some time off. I know I've lost a lot of subscribers because I haven't been doing my YouTube channel probably about 8 to 10 months. Yeah, I've been gone for that long, and during that time I've been doing a lot of shopping, thrift shopping, regular shopping, and I was going through a lot. I changed job during that time. Last July I've changed my job, and I've also moved into a new home, so there was lots of changes and I was so busy, so I wasn't able to do any videos and stuff like that, and there was a lot of stress, and even though I'm still going through stress, but it's getting there, and you know, through prayer it's getting there. And yeah, so I have been away, but I'm still here, I'm still alive, I'm still well. It's been stressful, but to God be the glory, I'm getting past the worst. And so now I'm here to start doing my videos back when I'm not going to be as busy. So those days when I have time and I'm not going to be as busy, I will be making sure that I upload videos so that you guys have something to watch. And don't be afraid to share any of my videos if you do like it and you feel like you'd love for someone else to see it. Or don't be afraid to give me your big huge thumbs up. I will give it back to you. And don't be afraid to subscribe. It is free to subscribe. If you have any channel, let me know so I can sub back to your channel. I have no problem doing that. I'm very supportive. And so that's it. I don't want to be extra long because my videos has been very long, so I tell myself that this year I'm gonna have to try to cut it down a little bit. So guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to let you know that I was away and there was some little stuff that was going on, but now I'm back, so I will be doing a lot of more videos. I will be gearing more towards positive stuff and more towards like styling, still doing my thrifting hauls and stuff like that, but more like styling my clothes, and doing some, I would say, home stuff, like Omi stuff, like house decorations and stuff like that, doing a little bit more DIYs and how-tos and hairstyling and stuff like that. So stay tuned because I am back, and I am back to do it much more better than how I did it the last year and the year before. But yes, so thanks for hanging in there with me throughout the time that I've been away, and you're still there. I've seen some of my subscriber said you're back. Yes, I am. Yes, so like, thank you guys for commenting, for looking out for me and stuff like that. And I just hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great month. Thank you.